Hi and welcome to this introductory tutorial on financial mathematics in Microsoft Excel. So in this video we are going to show you the Excel PMT function, that is a financial function that returns the periodic payment for a loan. So you can use a NPER function to figure out payment for a loan given a loan amount, number of period and interest rate. So the purpose of the PMT function is to get a periodic payment for a loan. The function returns a loan payment as a number. So PMT function can be used to figure out the future payment for a loan, assuming a constant payment and a constant interest rate. For example, we have a loan of $5,000 and the number of payment is, for example, 60 corresponding to 5-year period. So it shows the arbitrary interest rate of 11% and a periodic payment is the value that we are going to calculate. So to get a periodic payment, you just need to go in formulas. So when you are in formula, you go on this function symbol and click on insert function. So among the function, you can go on this tab and select the financial function one. So to compute the PMI function, you just need to search for PMT function. Here is it. Select PMT function. So the interest rate is here. So pay attention because payment is monthly. So we'll divide the interest rate by 12 because here have 12 months. So number of payment is an argument that calculates payment for a loan based on the constant payment and the constant interest rate. So the number of payment is 16. We have this argument PV that calculates a payment for a loan based on the constant payment loan. So PV is a present value total amount that the series of future payment worth now. So the PV is the amount of $5,000. So we select the $5,000 amount. We have a FD argument, which is the future value or a cash balance can 1 to 10 after the last payment. So if you have to have 0 at the end of it, so if you put 0 in this section, so type is a logical value payment at the beginning of the period equal 1 if payment at the end of the period is 0. So you put 1 if you want a payment at the end of the period to be equal to 0. So then we click on OK and can see that our function return a negative value, so that we should just precede our function by the negative sign so that we can have a periodic payment of 107.72. So by default my Excel is programmed to be return a value in euro. So I will go on my go home, go on this section to select the number format and go to custom. Go to number and select custom and put here this section, change this. I'll go rather on currency and choose the symbol dollar for United States. So and then I'll click on OK, and you can see that periodic payment is set is in US dollar 107.72 dollar per month for a 5,000 loan in 5-year period. So that's it for this tutorial, and we hope it have very well help you understand how to use PMT function in order to calculate periodic payment for a given loan.